Out there, this is the Prodigy, and I hope everyone's having a very blessed Friday as myself. I hope the Lord has been able to touch you this week and bring some type of light to your life. But before we go on, I just want to kind of show you today's time and date. It's Friday, May 4th, 2018. And as you can see, guys, it's very early. It's 11:31 in the morning. And as you can see, just overnight, guys, and I've only been up a couple hours, and just overnight, this is what I've made. We're going to go ahead and count the payments. So that's 2, 4, and that's another 5. That's $900. Selling the advanced package, 2 at a discounted price of $50 off, and course of 2 at the full price of $250. Now, guys, that's $900 why I slept. That's not even why I'm up during the day. No telling how much more I'm going to be making today. Now, guys, you seeing this payment proof should just give you the confidence to know that we can actually guarantee results like this to you guys out there. No matter if you're a newbie, no matter if you're a professional. I'm going to log out my account just to show you guys I am not playing games. I am dead serious when it comes to marketing, and my payment proofs are dead on and dead accurate and dead 100% truthful. Now, guys, there's a lot of you out there who are struggling. There's a lot of you out there who, can't pay your bills, can't afford life, unhappy, stressing, just because you're not financially stable. You're wondering how your kids are going to eat their next meal. You're wondering how you're going to pay your next bill. You're wondering where you're going to be at in 10 years, if it's going to be worse or if it's going to be better. And guys, I can guarantee results, and I can guarantee happiness with financial freedom if you follow my lead. I've been marketing now over 10 years, and I've helped thousands of people succeed. I've helped make 6- and 7-figure earners, and I can definitely do the same with you if you follow my lead. All I'm asking from you guys that are going to be contacted today is to follow my lead. I need you guys by my side. I need you guys to trust me, and I need you guys to know that I'm here to help. I'm not here to hurt you guys. I'm here to make sure you see results and to make sure that you're succeeding. I'm here to make sure you become a professional. I'm here to make sure that you see results no matter what. Now, a lot of you out there don't know my story. I've actually been marketing over 10 years. Started marketing in my teenage years, about 11, 12 years old. Well, before teenage years, building websites very young. That's where I got the name The Prodigy. I was born for this. Anyhow, I started marketing at about 12, 13 years old. I didn't see any success until I was about 17 years old, and I worked my butt off to get where I'm at today. So at about 17 years old, I was still working at McDonald's, struggling, helping my mother pay the bills. Guys, were a couple of payments behind from being on the street, but I was able to generate my first $100,000 online, and ever since then, guys, it's been uphill. I've been a 7-figure earner now the last 4 years, and I've helped thousands of people succeed in this industry. And with email processing 3.0, the way we're actually able to help you succeed with guaranteed results is not only our support, but what we're offering here is crazy. We have an advanced autopilot software that's going to be driving all the traffic for you. Now, 50% of newbies out there fails because they cannot drive traffic. They don't understand how to market. They get frustrated. They get overwhelmed, and they're just ready to go. They're ready to quit. With email processing 3.0, with their autopilot software, you're going to be able to generate traffic on a daily basis that's going to guarantee results. And the way we're actually going to be able to guarantee those results is, I understand you're coming into a business, even though all this traffic flow, all these leads are coming in, you don't know how to close that sale yet, because we have to train you to understand the company to be able to explain it to another person. Well, guys, don't worry about it, because we're going to be closing all sales for you. All sales are closed. And I know you asking yourself right now, why would you do that for us? Well, I make 25% commission. So we're making money together. We're making money as a team. And my goal is to make sure everyone out there is successful, to make sure everybody's seeing results. So not only am I making money together with you, but I'm actually helping you succeed. And that is my why. My why is to change the world. My why is to make sure people succeed, to make sure your frown turns upside down and you're smiling and you're stress-free and you're financial free and you're able to do the things you want to do with your family. You're able to go out. You're able to, travel. You're able to pay every bill and take your family out without any problems. And that's what I want to make sure is going to be happening for you this year. I don't want you to sit there 10 years from now and say, I wish I've done this. Why didn't I do it? Look at me now, I'm still broke. Take that simple 250 or 150 pro or advanced level, whichever you decide, and invest. You have to invest in yourself to make money. You have to spend money to make money. Now, like I said, guys, if you don't invest, you're going to be thinking, it's going to come down the road and you're going to be like, I wish I had invested in this man. I wish I had invested in myself. I wish. Put that I wish away and put it into action today. Pick up your cell phone. Call me at 239-362-6591. Come on my website at godslifequotes.com, which is also in the description below the video. And let's get you moving. Let's get you seeing results. 24 hours. Give me 24 hours and I'm going to make sure you're seeing sales. Give me 48 hours and I'm going to make sure you're in profit. Guys, follow my lead. God has given me the gifts to be able to bless the world, and that's what I want to do. So I'll be waiting for you to contact me today. Once again, that phone number is 239-362-6591. Everyone out there, may God be in your hearts. May you have a blessed day. May God bless you. Until my next video, everyone out there, I'll talk to you soon.